guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's completely reshaping how we exchange contact information. Digital business cards versus name drop. As technology defines our networking practices, both of these tools offer innovative ways to streamline contact sharing. Digital business cards, as we know, provide customizable, eco-friendly alternatives to traditional cards, while name drop and Apple technology uses iOS integration to simplify contact exchanges. So we'll explore how each of these solutions work, their unique strengths, weaknesses, and considerations to help you decide what might be the best fit for your day-to-day networking routine. Digital business cards have redefined how professionals exchange their contact information by leveraging technologies such as QR codes, near field communication, otherwise known as NFC, and various digital platforms. They provide a sustainable alternative to traditional paper cards. One of the key advantages of digital business cards lie in their versatility and customization options. So unlike conventional cards limited to displaying basic contact details, digital versions can include links to personal websites, portfolios, social media profiles, and even interactive elements like videos or presentations. So cool. This is not only to enhance the recipient's engagement, but also allows for more a comprehensive representation of one's professional identity and capability. NameDrop was introduced with iOS 17. It represents Apple's inroad into simplifying contact sharing among iPhone users. It operates on the principle of proximity-based communication, allowing individuals to exchange contact information effortlessly with a simple tap of their Apple devices. This feature is particularly advantageous in settings where quick, spontaneous interactions are key, such as networking events, conferences, or even any casual meetings. NameDrop integrates seamlessly with Apple's ecosystem, ensuring a smooth and efficient exchange of information without the need for additional apps or complicated setup procedures. Users can quickly connect with others who are also using iOS 17 or later, fostering immediate connections without technological barriers. Digital business cards provide a versatile and engaging way to present your professional identity. They offer much more than just contact details, enabling you to showcase portfolios, highlight achievements, and embedded multimedia content like videos or slideshows. This makes for a richer, more memorable interaction with your content. Platforms like Wave make it easy to create and update these cards, incorporating your latest branding elements and offering features like NFC tags and QR codes for seamless integration at no cost. Plus, unlike NameDrop, Wave gives you the option to complement your digital card with a physical one, such as this one. So get your free digital business card using the link in the description below to start enhancing your networking efforts too. So let's contextualize these networking tools with real-world scenarios. Picture yourself at a bustling conference. NameDrop comes into play, allowing iPhone users to swiftly exchange contact information with a simple tap, seamlessly connecting within moments. This streamlined process enhances networking efficiency, ensuring that valuable connections are made effortlessly among participants within the Apple ecosystem. However, networking isn't limited to those within the Apple universe. Consider meeting someone with an Android device or encountering a situation where you need to convey more than just basic contact details. Here, digital business cards step in as a versatile and go-to solution. They offer the flexibility to include detailed information, such as links to portfolios, social media profiles, or even multimedia elements. In essence, while NameDrop excels in facilitating quick exchanges among iPhone users in compatible environments, digital business cards cater to broader networking needs by offering extensive customization and compatibility across various platforms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and tips. Have any questions, want to share your experiences, we'd love to hear it. We're here to help. Catch you on the next wave.